Hi everyone, welcome to Discovery Natural. I've been wearing this crochet for some time, and my night routine, you all have been wondering what my night routine is. But first of all, let me give you a spin around to see what this crochet looks like. This is it. It's just flat twisted on this side and then just the crochet Senegalese twist around. So there are a couple of things that I do at night. The easiest thing you can do is to use a scarf, and when you use the scarf, all you just do is just take the scarf and move your hair to the back and just tie down the scarf like this. Make sure you secure it in front, and that is it. You are ready to go to bed, and that is it. With this way, the hair is a little bit exposed, and if you're okay with hair touching your back or just flinging everywhere, then this is the style for you. But for some people like myself, when I'm sleeping, this gets caught on my body and I don't want that feeling, so I go with another method. So the second method that is very common is to get a hair tie like this. So you can just get a simple hair tie and just pack up your hair whichever way you want to pack it up, like that. And then you can get a bonnet. So this is a bonnet I got from IOB Boutique, and I want to thank them for sending this. This actually is my daughter's bonnet, so this is the junior size. So the larger size will be for adults, but I want to show you how expandable this bonnet is. So I just put a bonnet and just wrap the hair around my head like this. Just keep on wrapping it, and once you do that, you can see it's pretty much secure. So you see, even though this is a junior size bonnet, it fits really well, and you're ready to go to bed just like this. See? Very secure. It also has lining, so your hair is protected, it doesn't dry out your hair. So that is the second method. Now the last method, which is the one that I like using, is I get another hair tie and I secure the base of the Senegalese twist. It depends on how long your Senegalese twist is. So when you secure it, I'm going to use a snappy this time. I'm just going to take it and secure it right there. Okay, snap. Then I get what is known as a sassy cap. So this is a sassy cap. It's a long cap. So you wear the sassy cap like this. So I just put it on my head. Now you see the long part, just put it down in there, and with this method you are good to go. You can go to bed like this and you're good to go. Or you can take the sassy cap. At the base of the sassy cap there's a clip right there. Okay, now you just take that and you just pin it to the other side of the cap right here. It snaps in there, securing it like that. So you are ready to go to bed. So these are the ways that I go to bed when I'm wearing crochet braids, especially when they're long. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys. Don't forget to let me know what you do at night time. I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.